In this video, I will show you the best way how you can create amazing thumbnails for your YouTube channel. Let's go! What's up everybody, my name is Marcus and I'm someone who loves to make tutorials and I really enjoy teaching people. So now's the question, what YouTube cares about? YouTube cares about the three things. Click-through rate, if someone is going to see your thumbnail, okay, is he going to click on that? How do you compete with other thumbnails on a search? The second thing is when someone clicks on your thumbnail, how long he will stay on your video. And the third thing, if he stays for a long time, if he's staying on YouTube or if he leaves YouTube. Because if he stays more on YouTube, your content will be promoted more. And now, what is the best way to create amazing thumbnails for YouTube? We are going to use a program called Snappa, but before that, I want to talk to you about something which is really important, and that's your competition. Because no one cares who starts the YouTube channel, no one cares about the competition, and it's so damn important. Let's say that you are a gaming channel and you want to make videos about, I don't know, Roblox, a game. You are going to write in a search Roblox and you get the search results. And now you see the best 3-4 videos are the most which people are clicking on. So what you can do is to make similar thumbnails, maybe even in colors, because that's what audience wants. That's what audience likes. And this is what you should look for every segment that you are going to create videos. What the competition is doing. Inspire, don't copy their thumbnails, inspire from them, learn from them to be better, to be even better than their thumbnails. So let's go create some epic ones. So as I mentioned, we are going to use snappa.com. You will have the link in the description. You can create an account, it's completely for free and you can download 5 thumbnails per month. Let's create a social media post, YouTube thumbnail. Now you got a plenty of thumbnails here. So let's say that we are going to create a beauty channel. We are going to create someone who is a workout channel. And then we are going to create someone who is a gaming. We are going to open this one. And for example, okay, this is going to be great. So right now we are going to start with the first one. And this is pretty simple. This one I don't really especially like for beauty. So if you're making beauty things, you need to see the competition, but it can be cool. So let's say what we can do here. First, you can change the background and we can go with, for example, smiling woman. Or let's say, okay, this is not a great photo. You have plenty of backgrounds. You can choose okay, let's name it top 10 single 2019, and we need to make it longer. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the resolution of and I'm just going to move it. But this is really long, so we need to find a way how to rename it. Or we can make it like this. Nice, and we can make it larger now. And we can put it like this. And what you can do, like this is what I like, you have graphics here. So sunglasses. And let's see, okay, and you have plenty of sunglasses here you can use. So let's, for example, I don't know, let's use this one. This is what I like so much about it. It's all transparent. You can play around it. You can change the vertical and it's so sick. You can even play with the colors in the background. So saturation, for example. But let's choose different glasses now, which are much more better, for example. Okay, these one are great. And we would got it like this. Of course, I would change the text. You can change the text here, the font, whatever you want. For example, this one is great. And I would also change the color of these glasses. But this is really effective, much more effective than just Photoshop. And now let's go for a second one. Let's say that we have okay, but we want working out or gym. Let's get it. Oh, and right now we see plenty of, for example, okay, let's say that I want to make a workout for girls. And we are going to name it yoga workout. And let's change the color to like this, okay. And like this. And now if we go for the graphics, yoga, I don't know if we are going to find something. Yeah, we found. Look at that. And like, this is so great. This is just amazing program. And we would put it like this. Also, we need to, voila, easy, really easy. And now let's change the effect. Let's say we want saturation or hue. No, hue is okay. Brightness. Okay, and saturation even, no, this is fine. Contrast maybe. Yep, this is sick. Like, this is so damn good. And let's go for another thumbnail. Gaming. I mean, like, just this thumbnail is amazing. Let's say that you are an Android game player and we want to make it different now. Now, what I want to show you, which is really interesting, let's say that you are making for Fortnite mobile. Fortnite. Let's make it larger. Fortnite mobile. And now let's grab it like this. Gameplay walkthrough, that's all right. And now, for example, we need to change this graphic Fortnite. We will see, I don't know if we are going to find something. Okay, so we can even delete this one. And we can add the gun here from Fortnite. We are going to rotate it. But I want to show you something. I downloaded the transparent model from Fortnite. So I have a Fortnite character here and I'm going to upload it. So upload image, Fortnite character, it's uploading. I'm going to delete this one. I'm just going to grab it here. Now, voila, he's here. Let's make it larger. Now smaller. We need to make it especially here, you know? We need to rotate it a little bit and make it larger. Okay, like this. And you see, it's much more sick, but this is not all. We now going to use the background and you have a patterns here and you can change the patterns to whatever you like. Do you remember those times when you had to download something? Crazy. And let's try to find photos Fortnite. Okay, so we won't find it. But these are just so good. Okay, Fortnite, let's change the color here like this, and this one will be white. And like, voila, here we go again. You got also shadow or blur. And what we can do here, okay, line height, it's okay. So, but this is sick. This is so good. So right now we have a Fortnite mobile logo and we are going for the next one, which is, let's say that you are making tutorials. Okay, and now let's see SEO. This can be pretty easy. How to get first rank. Okay. Okay. And here we go. I like it, but it's missing something. It's missing like an arrow, or let's see what we will find. So maybe this here. No, it's bad. We can even, like, I have some ideas. Okay, so we could even put something like this here. No. We need something different. So I'm searching right now for arrows, and we will try to find something which can be useful. Maybe even this. And okay, let's copy it. No, let's rotate it like it is. And I just copy paste it. Now I'm going to rotate it again. I need to delete one. And yep, this can be it. So for example, we got another amazing thumbnail. And if you like this video, definitely write in the comments if you're going to use Snappa, because goddamn, this program is a life changer. It's a game-changing program. I mean, this would took me so long to create in Photoshop. And then what I do, I just download it. And it's being downloaded, and I got it right here. See? Wow. And also, guys, what I have a really great way what you should do, always when you upload your thumbnail, you need to rename this, your picture, your thumbnail. So let's say that you are making a video about SEO, how to get the first rank. You should rename your picture, your thumbnail, to how to get the first rank in SEO. So when someone searches, he will search maybe even in the image search, and he will find your thumbnail there, and he will watch your video also by that. And that's just like a random tip. If you like this video, definitely hit the subscribe button. I will be pretty happy for that. And yep, see you in the next tutorial. And I really enjoyed this. Goodbye.